Hi there, Huggleberry Toy Surprise, and we've got Sesame Street, and this is Elmo's wood block train, and we've got Elmo, and this is Hugs Forever Friends, and Elmo's giving you a big hug, another big hug. That's Elmo, and he's huggable and super soft. Okay, let's open our Elmo's wood block train. Our Elmo train set includes 3 wooden train cars with rolling wheels, Elmo, our conductor, and 9 wood blocks. Okay, let's take our train apart. There's all our blocks and train cars taken apart. We have colored blocks, we have red, orange, and green. We have Sesame Street characters on our blocks. And there's Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Honkers, and Murray. Awesome. We have Oscar the Grouch, Telly Monster, Zoe, and Grover. We have some monster fairies, Abby Cadabby, the Count, and Super Grover. There's Ernie, Bert, Prairie Dawn, and Rosita. Let's put Elmo on the Sesame Street train. All aboard! Let's put Cookie Monster on the train. And Abby Cadabby. Ernie and Oscar want to come aboard the train. The train's pulling out of the station. Let's mix and match our blocks. All aboard! coming into the station. I like that each Sesame Street character has a box around them and it's colored. And we have a blue around Big Bird. Honkers has a red rectangle. Murray has a blue. And Cookie Monster a red. And it's the same with our square. We have Count Von Count with orange. Super Grover has green. And Abby Cadabby has green. Lots of fun. Thanks for watching Huckleberry Toy Surprise and Sesame Street. And this was Elmo's Woodblock Train. And here's one more hug from Elmo. Have a Huckleberry day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for awesome toy surprises from Sesame Street, Disney, and more. And if you want more Sesame Street, make sure you check out our Sesame Street playlist.